Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best sports apps on your FireStick devices. And the first thing you actually need to do is get the app code downloader to your Fire TV Stick device. You can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. So you just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in the search right here. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So just click on downloader and there's the app that you gotta get to your device. But now, after you've got the downloader, it's actually not over yet because you still have to set it up. And in order to actually stop the downloader, you go to settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, there is no need to worry because it's super easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it for 7 times. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on the HDTV debugging, then go to install known apps. And from here, all you have to do is just locate the downloader application and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, we open it and there you'll find the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more really important thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. And in my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say they'll connect to Australia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with the camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. Or if you don't want to get the NordVPN, you can also use AppVanish, which is another really decent VPN provider. They are a bit cheaper than NordVPN, and we do have the discount code for them as well in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video. So it's up to you, it's either AppVanish or NordVPN. And then finally, let's open up the downloader application. And then here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. That's really important. So click on Home and there we'll have to start typing in the codes. So the first code is going to be 17561. So once again, it's 17561. That's the code that you have to enter. Then you need to click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now in under a couple of seconds the download will start. The only step we have to do is just click on that download for Android button, and pretty much that's it. Now the download has officially started for us. That shouldn't take too long. just like under a couple of seconds, but of course it all depends on the connection speed on your device. Since I got a pretty fast connection, it's not a problem. Then you just need to click on install, and now the first app will be installed on your FireStick. The app, by the way, is called Redbox TV. And then, after the app is installed, you should not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as we don't really need them anymore on your device. So just click on delete and delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your FireStick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your FireStick doesn't really have too much of free space on it anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you open it, and there's the Redbox TV which we just installed. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the Redbox TV is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble while using such applications. Then finally you can open the Redbox TV app, and from here you get access to channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So Redbox TV was the first app that we got for you today, but it is not the last application. So what we have to do is get straight back to the loader, click on home again, erase that previous code, and now I'll show you even more apps which you can use to get more live TV channels. So the second app we are going to use, the second code is going to be 234089. So it's once again 234089. That is the code that you have to use. And like previously, we click on go, and now the download of the second app should start. You can also click on that link to make the process a little bit faster, and yep, now the download has started for us. Then you just click install and wait until the app is finally installed on your FireStick. And just like previously, do not click on open, instead press on done and get rid of those unnecessary installation files from your device. And now if you go to the list of apps on your FireStick, which is right here, you'll find the second app that we have downloaded. This app is called Streamfire. Let's put it up front as well, and then open it up. And that's the second amazing app we got for you today. It's got loads of channels from all countries like US, UK, Canada, Europe, Australia, India, and so on. And here, for the same reason as before, I also had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules. So that is the second app we got for you today, but it is not the last one. So let's go back to the loader, and there will be one more code for you today. So we get rid of that code, erase it, and now we're gonna enter the last code for you. And the last code is gonna be 56389. So once again, it's 56389. That is the code. Now I gotta click on go and just follow the same steps as before. So just wait until the download actually starts. And there you go, the process has officially started. It's only 20 megabytes, so will take us only under a couple of seconds. And then hit that install button and wait until the installation process is actually finished. Then click on done to get rid of the installation files as always. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is there it is, yep, there's the last app that we have downloaded. That app is called HDTV. Let's put it up front as well and enjoy. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. See you next time. Bye bye.